It's cotton candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this fabulous hair that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and keep watching. Okay divas, so before I jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Ishow hair. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah divas, without further ado, if you guys want to know the details and the specs on this unit, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned for my detailed review. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys like what the hair looks like and everything straight out the box and unboxing everything. So first of all, it comes with this cute bag, which is really nice because I can go ahead and like store my wig in here if I don't want to keep the box and know like what hair company it is from. So as you guys can see, it is from Ishow hair, and it also looks like it comes with some eyelashes. Thank you, but no thank you because I'm not gonna wear those. And then here's the box, which I really do love the pretty pink. Like I might just put this on display somewhere in my little cabinet because it's cute. But it says Ishow hair and it's like pink, black, and like a gold color. I really like the aesthetic of this. It's very pretty. So let's go ahead and unbox. So they did send me a lace front unit and it is body wave and it is 24 inches. So in this there is the wig, of course, and then it also came with this it's like a wig cap. Nobody ever uses these, so you should just send like the regular wig caps. I'm just saying, or I don't use it anyways. I guess I shouldn't categorize everybody. So yeah, anywho, here is the unit. So yeah, it is 24 inches and it does tell you that right here. And it is the body wave texture and it is a lace front unit. I wanted to go ahead and show it to you guys and try it on before I do anything and like style it and all that good stuff. Just so that, you know, you guys can see how the unit looks before I do anything to it. So I feel like that's important. So it does come very nicely packaged and everything, so that is really good. So here is how the unit looks. Now the first thing that I'm noticing off the top, like the density does not seem that high, but I could be wrong. Once I try it onto my head I will know. But this is how the unit looks. So it's very pretty, very bouncy. It has life. It's not stiff because we don't like stiff hair over here. So here's the cap construction, and I will know how like what kind of cap it is, like as far as size wise, once I put it on. So it does come with 2 combs on the side. It also comes with a comb in the middle, which I might end up cutting this out like if it bothers me, because I never use this comb and then sometimes it like bothers my scalp because my head is very sensitive like in that area. And then it also comes with a little bit of lace in the back, and it also comes with a comb and adjustable straps in the back. It also features 4 inches of parting space, and then it has your lace front, so it's just like parting basically in the middle area. So it's about 3.5 to 4 inches going back, and then it has the lace in the front. Let's try this wig on. Once I have it on, I should know, like, this top is annoying, so I should know. Okay, so the density is not too bad, okay? Because at first I was like, girl, this is like real thin, but it's not. So as far as shedding and tangling, I'm getting a little bit of shedding and I got a little bit of tangling, as you guys seen. But oh yeah, once you play with this unit, it's like voluminous. So I might put some curls in here, and I don't know. It is a little thin. It's a little bit on the thin side, but I feel like if I put some curls or something, it'll be fine. It'll be cute. So let's look at this parting space. Now let's look at the hairline first, actually. So the hairline is kind of nice, but I feel like you probably have to go in and pluck it like a little bit more. But this is what the hairline looks like. Now let's look what the parting space looks like. Okay, so the parting space is tight, so I would definitely have to like go in and yeah, gonna have to go in and pluck that. Just wanted to unbox it and show you guys like the shedding and the tangling and everything straight out of the box. So yeah, I'm going to bleach these knots and then I'll be back with the styling portion. Okay divas, so here is how the hair looks. I have curled it, as you guys see earlier. I curled it and then I ran my fingers through it and then I combed it out with a wide tooth comb. So I don't know how well the curls is holding up. Like, it looked like it's barely anything there, but I did comb it out so it's like wavy. So yeah, that's how it looks. I'm actually gonna be testing out this hair to like see how it holds up and everything, but I just wanted to show you guys. And here's the parting space, which it looks really good. And I did not have to gel this down, so this is a glueless unit, which I really do like. So overall, the hair, it feels really nice, but honestly, like, the density on it, like, it needs to be bumped up because it's just so thin. Like, it's just like, this is all the hair. Like, this is all the hair to the front. And then let me stand up so you guys can see. So yeah, this is all the hair. So the density is very super duper light. So that's good if you like it like natural, but for me, I don't know. I prefer it to be like more thick, but I don't know. Overall, it's pretty. It's like really nice hair so far. I've experienced minimal shedding and tangling. I've washed it, I've bleached the knots, and the hairline is not bad either. Let me get a little closer so you guys can see. So that's the hairline, and like I said, I didn't have to be glue it or anything, so it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. I just feel like I would probably prefer this hair to be straight. I think I'm gonna straighten it. I'll probably show you guys when I straighten it too. I just want to give you guys like a full thorough review of this hair. So this is it curled. I'm not crazy about it because it's not a lot of volume. And yeah, I'm just not crazy about it. I mean, it's cute for what it is, like, because I'm like really casual today. Like, I have on like this cute little sweater outfit or whatever with some tennis shoes, so it's cute for like running errands and stuff. But like when I want my diva-esque hair, like, you know, this is not enough hair. But like I said, it is enough. Like, it doesn't look like, oh my gosh, she's missing hair. It's just because of my personal preference. But anyways, yeah, this is the hair. So I'm gonna wear it, test it out, and then I'm gonna wash it and let it air dry or either blow dry it. I don't know, you guys will probably see that in the next clips. But I want to test it out and straighten it and see if I like it better while it's like straightened. But overall, so far, I like the hair. Minimal shedding and tangling, like I said. And it's very soft and easy to deal with. And I also love the fact that it's glueless and The hairline looks really flawless. So, and I like the parting area as well, and I didn't pluck that or anything. I just bleached the knots. So yeah, overall it's a cool cute wig so far. But I'll see you guys in some later clips on some more days, because I am going to put this hair to the test. Okay divas, so I am back with a update on this hair. So as you guys can see, I did go ahead and straighten it. So actually what I did was I went in, you guys see me curl it in the previous clips, or you seen like a little bit of clips and everything like that, and how the hair was like after I curled it, everything. So I wore that for actually 3 more days, and the curls did hold a little bit, like they were like soft waves, which I actually really did enjoy. So the hair was like really nice. It did not like tangle or shed or anything. It was just really nice. So I was happy about that. Although I did not like it, honestly, I didn't like the look of it, because this hair has like a really natural density. So this is all the hair. So can you imagine this being curled? Like, it's not, I don't know, for me, I like my hair to be like full, especially when I'm gonna put curls in it. Like, I like it to be full. This is more of a natural full type of density, because it definitely has enough hair on the unit, but it's just like natural full. I can't say that I am absolutely in love with it like right now, because it's straight and it's just so freaking pretty. Like, look at how pretty this hair is. Oh yeah, let me stand up so you guys can see how it falls on me. Don't mind my wardrobe malfunction, like I don't know what's going on. But anyways, this is how it falls on me. So it goes a little bit like past my waist a little bit. So pretty long. It's 24 inches, but you guys know I'm a shorty by nature, so it falls pretty long on me. But yeah, anyways divas, overall this hair is bomb. Like, it's so soft. It was so easy to straighten. So what I did was, after I wore the curls, I did go ahead and wash the hair. I blow dried it, and then I straightened it today, and it just looks so nice. Like, and it's just so soft, and I absolutely definitely love it straightened. Now I know this is a body wave pattern, but I don't know, for the density on this one, for me personally, it's just better straight in my personal opinion. But yeah, so this is what it looks like straight, and I cannot keep my hands out of this hair because it's just so soft and just so nice. Get no shedding, no tangling, and that's just like kind of like a miracle for long hair, because you guys know like long hair, sometimes it just tangles naturally. So I'm appreciative that this one does not. But yeah, overall I like it. The parting space is still nice. I didn't add any powder or anything. I did just bleach the knots, as I mentioned to you guys earlier in the video, and I added a little bit of baby hair today. Now this cap is glueless, so you don't have to like lay down baby hair or anything like that. If you don't want to, you just adjust the adjustable straps and make sure that it'll be tight enough to adhere to your head, because that's definitely how I wore it as well. So it is a glueless cap, so you don't have to like lay down baby hairs or anything like that. I just did this today just because, I don't know, it was just random. I just decided to do it. But yeah, overall divas, like I really love this hair. I would definitely recommend it. I wanted to make sure that I put it to the test for you guys, just so that you guys can see and get like a real good visual of the hair, and also so I can wear it myself and see like how I like the hair. I definitely like it straight better, but that's just my personal opinion. The density on it is nice, but it is nice like to be like straightened, not so much curled for me. But overall, as I said, I do like this hair. I would give this hair a 9 out of 10, and the reason why I docked a point is because of the density for my personal liking. But if you are a person who do not like a whole bunch of bundles or like hair on your head, then this would definitely work for you, because as I said before, like it's full. It's just not as full as I am used to. But this straight, like this unit straightened, like this is everyday vibes. Like this is perfect. Like perfect hair. Yeah divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details and the specs on this hair, and be sure to go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow. And yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you fabulous divas think. Let me know you know, like what was your favorite. Like, did you like it curly better or did you like it straight? Let me know. I would love to hear from you guys, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.